tutorial. Today we're going to be doing is stretching the floor line of the entry walls to the top of the floor slab. Just a little note, in case you are missing icons, for example, if you're missing from the last tutorial I showed you, say you're missing the space separator, a way to reset your tool palette would be going to the options, going to profiles, and just making sure you have Autocad Architectural, and just do set current. From there, you press OK, and like that, you have it up to date. Good. So we're going to start. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go select all our interior walls. So if I just click one and I do select similar. Sorry, I'm a little sick today. Select similar like so. You see we have all the walls selected. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the option on top, which is roof line, floor line, and we're going to go to modify floor line, like so. And you get the pop-up off the bottom, and we're going to go use the one offset. And from there, we're going to go type in -4 inches. -4 inches. And then we're going to press enter to exit the command. So now what you'll notice, if I go look in the 3D and look underneath, you'll see that my walls have dropped 4 inches, which is good. Now we're going to do the same procedure with the external walls, the exterior walls, sorry. So we're going to go back to the top view, grab the wall, select similar. So you grabbed all the exterior walls, and we're going to go same thing again, modify floor line, and we're going to go offset, and we're going to keep the same one. -4. And if I go look again, you'll see that now they're back to level. So now we have gone 4 inches below. Good. Good. So now let's show you a result of a section view as well. So now we're going to do first make a window without entering any command, a cross window, and we're going to go from this section here, something like this, right over here. Alright, grab it. From there now we're going to go to edit in section on top, and we're going to go edit in section. Now we're going to grab from the first corner up here, we're going to go downward, make a straight line, so F8, like so through the window, and go across over here to number 3. Whoops, I lost the screen. Press enter. Oh my god, this stupid screen. And now, and we're going to go upward to show where we're cutting. Like so. And it's going to generate a section view for us. So we can see the view here. Go to another side. We have the section cutting right through our building, and we see that the floor and everything is aligned nicely. To get out to see what we did, if you're done with it, you could just press exit the view, which should be a little pop-up saying exit view, which I can't see. It's on my other screen. Right over here, just press exit view, and it goes back to normal. So you hit save, and so forth. Again, if you want to do that again, just to show you, go cut through the other way. Just make a window without clicking anything. Then you're going to go to edit in section. Then you're going to choose your first point, second point going across, go upward, press enter, and then just make the box of how far you want to go. And then by just rotating your views, you'll be able to see the section that you built. And to get out of it, just press X. So that's how you see the section that we just moved around. Now we're going to be creating the slab above the entry level. So we're going to be creating the slab, and then we're going to create the exterior wall interference with the slab as well. So let's go back to our toolbar. Let's go back to our design tools, and let's go choose design, and let's go look for our slab. This is space, scroll up, our slab piece is right over here. Click on it, and again you have it selected from your object. From the settings, we're going to go change it to thickness. We're going to put it 8 inches. Vertical to be 0. We'll start from the bottom, and we'll go to the left and put 0 as well. Make sure we have our object snaps on, which is F3. Right here. Let me just check. We have our end snap, perfect. And we're going to grab the 4 corners. This corner here. Then we're going to go to this corner on the opposite side. Right over here. Then we're going to go down next to the corner of the stairs. And then we're going to go to number 4. And finally, we're going to press the close option. And like that, we have our slab selected. So once that's done, we're going to go press the close button, like we did, and just press enter. You can notice that we have a little purple line around. That's going to be our slab. If you select it, it even tells you slab. Let's go look in the 3D. Let's go make it non-wireframe. And you see that we have our slab for the floor perfectly over here. Doesn't affect our doors. You kind of see it here where it goes, right up to there. So it's perfectly set. Now we're going to go back to the top and we're going to add an overhang. So 2D wireframe, top view. We're going to go click on the slab we just built, and we're going to go add a overhang. So by just clicking on the little arrow right here, edge overhang, we're going to go and type in 8 inches on one side. Then we're going to go to the other side. Then again, type in 8 inches. Then we're going to go to this one here, the bottom. So always click the arrow, 8 inches. And then you're going to go also to the one on the back as well. Then over here, the arrow, 8 inches. So it made it within the wall itself. There we go. Once that's done, we're going to go press escape. And there we go, we did our slab. You want to see how it looks? We can do a section like we did before, right down the middle. Go here, edit section. Draw the line from up to down, across, enter. Go like this. And you see here, sorry, there's our floor that we just added. Our slab, sorry. Press escape, and just to be sure that it doesn't crash, hit the save button. The next step we're going to do is we're going to go add exterior wall interference with the slabs. So the slab has already been worked into the exterior walls, but the holes need to be connected. Sorry, need to be corrected. The joints are not corrected, are not created yet. Sorry, my throat is hurting. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the northeast view, isometric view, like so. And if you go put it back to hidden, or even if we do shaded, hidden's much better. Like so. There we go, we had that done. I think my slab should have been above. Give me 1 second. So yeah, and on the slab that we built before, I forgot to put in a base height. Elevation should have been 9'8". That's what I forgot to put, because this was the ceiling. 9'8", enter. There we go, now it's on top. So now we see it. Sorry about that before. And now we still have the overhang going into the walls, so it's good. Now that we have this view here, the next step we're going to do is we're going to select similar. So we're going to go to one of the exterior walls, like so, and we're going to go use the select similar in the top left corner, and it's going to select all the objects. We're going to go now and use the interference option, which should be found right over here, and we're going to go add interference. From here now we're going to go click on the roof we just built, the slab, sorry, like so, and I clicked on it, yes, press enter. And now that you press enter, you're going to use the subtract option at the bottom, and it's going to cut it out. See, now let's go check, and if you notice, it cut out the walls equally. Good. here. Perfect. Good. Oh, I need to do this wall too. I didn't grab this wall. Grab this wall here. Do the same thing. Interference. Add. Click on the roof. Slab. Enter. Subtract. And there you go. Now it cut it out. This was a different wall type. I didn't notice that. And see, now that's what it did. It cut out inside even the wall. It cut them out. So this is what we want to do. So there's an extra step that I added in. Once that's done, hit save. And that's it for our tutorial. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share, follow, and subscribe. Thank you so much.